installation of the handle is very simple. You're going to have a pin that comes with it. You take the handle, put it through the pinhole, pop that through. You have the chain that's got to go into the hole in the pin. And then on this side, there's an open hole. So you take this cotter pin that comes with it, drop it in the hole, use a pair of pliers to bend it back a little bit so it can't come out. And then inside, you have a fork that goes up and down. And what you do is you take the chain that's dropped through and you get the chain in between the forks. It's got a little screw thread with a nut. And then once that's through, you drop the handle all the way down. And there's a pin here that you pull out. And then it's ready to go.